everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you yet another Nykaa haul, and this time I have shopped many items from Nykaa. So there are skincare straps and makeup straps, and I have some brushes also, most probably face brushes. So I have put all the products in this box because I have thrown away all the outer packaging, I mean all the Nykaa boxes, because of this coronavirus situation. So I have thrown away all that boxes, and I have sanitized all these things, and I have put this in this box. So if you are interested to know what all I bought in this haul, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, the first product which I want to share with you is a moisturizer, and this is the new launched Spons Super Light Moisturizer Gel. So this is a very good moisturizer, and this retails for 299 rupees, and I got this on a discount at 209. So I have never used this before. Actually guys, I don't use moisturizer in my daily life. I just use moisturizers in winters only, and I normally use Nivea and the white one or the blue one. So Nivea is a really good moisturizer. So normally I don't use moisturizer because I have really oily skin, and when I apply moisturizer my skin sweats like hell, so I don't like the feel of it. So I thought that I should give this moisturizer a try because I have seen such a good reviews about this, and these are like a gel consistency and not a creamy one. So I have used it quite a lot. So you can see I have used it for last 1 week, and I really love it guys because it has a very nice smell, and the texture of this is also very nice. As you can see, it has a very gel like consistency, and it blends into the skin like this. So I really love this one, and when I apply it before applying my makeup when doing this video, so I don't feel any irritation, or my skin doesn't sweats a lot. So that's a big thumbs up for this product. So that's the first product I want to show you. The next product is also from Pond's, and this is the Pond's Micellar Water. So I have used Garnier Micellar Water, and I love that. So this time I thought of giving this a try because it claims that it will remove 99% of eye makeup. So that's a really big claim. So I haven't used it now. So I will use it, and I will update you guys that how it works. I will surely post a review on this product in my channel. So stay tuned for that. So this product retails for 299 rupees, and I got this on a discount at 254 rupees. So the next product is from Lakme, and this is the Lakme face powder. So this is kind of a loose powder, and this retails for 170 rupees. I don't have so much loose powder because I prefer using compact powders. So let me show you this. So you have to remove the cap, and I quite like the packaging guys. Then you get this puff, and then you have to remove the second lid like this, and here is the powder. I hope you can see. So this powder has a very subtle fragrance, and I have used this just for once, and I quite like the texture of this, but I want to use it a couple of weeks to give a proper review of this. So next up I have another product from Lakme, and this is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. So this retails for 475 rupees, and that's not affordable according to me, but I really wanted to try this one because I have used the Lakme Absolute Mousse Foundation. So I really love that one, and if you haven't seen the review of that foundation, please go on my channel and check that out. I am sure that you will not be disappointed guys, because that's an amazing foundation guys. So especially for oily skin, that foundation is a top notch. So I am really looking forward to try this one out, because with these foundations you don't need to apply any primer on your face, because it has primer in it. So this is a 25 ml bottle, and this has a very nice rose gold cap and a matte glass bottle. So the packaging looks very nice, but the spatula of it is not very sturdy. As you can see, it really is very flimsy. So this has a spatula, and I personally don't like this kind of packaging, I mean this spatula thing. I prefer the pump one. So the spatula thing is not of my type because it's kind of messy for me. But I don't know the consistency and the texture of the foundation and how it works because I haven't used it till now. I will surely post a review video on my channel, so stay tuned for that. So next I have another thing from Lakme, and this is the Lakme cleansing milk. So I have used the Nivea cleansing milk and I really like that one. So I wanted to try this one because I hope it will work. I haven't used it till now. So this is basically for cleansing your face, or it also removes your makeup. I don't know about the waterproof mascaras and the eye makeup especially, but it does remove your makeup. And actually I have tried it on my face once, but that time I haven't applied any eye makeup, so it has cleaned my foundations and lipsticks and all. Actually I use this cleansing milk to double cleanse my face. So what happens that I don't actually satisfied myself by cleansing my face for once, so I like to double cleanse my face when I want to remove my makeup. So at first I use some micellar water or some oil based remover to remove my makeup, then I use some cleansing milk or some foaming face wash to wash my face. So for that purpose I want to use it. So this retails for 140 rupees only, and I got this on 105 rupees. So that's the product. And the next is also something from Lakme, and this is the Lakme eyeliner. So this retails for 130 rupees only, and this comes in 4 colors, blue, green, black, and this golden color. And this golden color has some shimmer particles in it, so I will show you that. And I have used it once and I really loved it, guys. This color is so nice, and even it flaunts on the dusky skin tone like me. I really love this one. I don't know how it works on the fairer skin tones, but on my skin tone I really love this one. I have applied it and oh my god, I really love it, guys. I can't even tell you how much I liked it, because at first I was really thinking that whether I should pick it or not, whether it will be good on my skin or not, because it's a very light color for an eyeliner, because I normally like to apply black eyeliners, and even sometimes I like to apply blue eyeliners, but I haven't tried this kind of eyeliners or any shimmer eyeliners. I didn't try it in my life. So I was really thinking that whether should I give it a try or not, and thankfully I picked it up and I really love this. So guys, the last product from Lakme is some nail paints, and you know guys, I really love Lakme nail paints. And if you haven't checked the nail paint video which I have made on the nail art collection of Lakme, please go and check it out. I will attach it on the I button, or you can find it on my channel also. So I have told on that video that I am going to buy some other nail paints from Lakme nail art collection. So I have bought this 3. So I really love the collection of this Lakme nail art collection. So this is a blue nail polish with some silver particles in it, and I have applied it on my nails and it has stayed for more than 1 week, and I really love this one. This is very nice, guys, and I will attach some pictures on my nails so you can see how this looks. So the next nail polish is a pink color nail polish, and it has a very nice duochromatic effect on it. So it's actually not proper nail art, but it has a very nice duochromatic effect. The next and the last nail polish is this green one. So this is the olive green color, but this has a very clear gel kind of texture, and it has some shiny particles, some white and silver particles in it. So when you apply it on your nails, it seems like you have done your nails from a good salon and you have spent a lot of money. But this nail polish retails for 155 rupees each, and I have bought this 3 nail polish on a very good discount, and that is buy 2 and get 1 free. So that offer is still running on, so you can surely give this one a shot if you want. And I really want to recommend these nail polishes, guys. So please check it out. You can buy just 3, and if you like it, you can go for more. So I will highly recommend this, guys. So guys, next up I got myself some face brushes. So these are basically foundation brushes, and I haven't tried many contour or foundation brushes till now, because I really prefer to blend my base with beauty blender. I am not a brush person, but this time I thought that I should give the brushes a try. So I have go through some reviews on good face brushes, and I have selected some and I bought them. So the first one is this brush from PAC. So this is from PAC Cosmetics, and this is the PAC Contouring Brush 247. The number is 247, and this retails for 535 rupees, guys. So that's a little bit expensive, but these are worth buying, guys. So this comes in this kind of pouch packaging, as you can see, and then you get this kind of plastic packaging, and here is the brush. So this is actually a contour brush, and this has a slant cut, as you can see. This has a slant cut and a flat top. So this is actually a contour brush, but I bought this one not for contouring but for blending my foundation, because this has a very nice flat top, as you can see. So here it is. So this is really very nice to blend the foundation, and it's actually a very good stippling brush. And if you are used to blend your foundation with brushes, you guys know that a stippling brush is really very important to have in your kit. So this really blends your foundation very nice. You have to just stipple it like this at first to spread your foundation all over, and you can also drag your foundation like this gently, and it really gives a very nice finish, and I really love this one. So this is in the number 247, and the price of this is 535 rupees. So this is the first brush. Next I bought myself another brush from PAC. So this is also from PAC Cosmetics, and it also comes in a package like this. So all the brushes of PACs come in like this packaging. So the number of this brush is 265, and this retails for 535 rupees again. So this is also a stippling brush, but the flat top is slightly bigger than the contour brush, and this don't have a slant cut, so it's completely flat, as you can see, and it has a very large surface. And these brushes, oh my god, guys, these brushes are really very soft, and this doesn't poke in your skin. So I really love this one. These brushes are so soft, guys. You will love these brushes. So I have used it couple of times, and I really love this one. So this is actually a stippling brush. So you have to stipple your foundation all over your face, and you can also buff it like this if you want that natural wala look. So that's that. So guys, next up I have myself another foundation brush from PAC again. So this is in the number 231, and this retails for 545 rupees. And guys, trust me, if you want a flawless base makeup, please give this one a try. The previous two brushes which I have shown you, the contour and the foundation brush, so these two brushes are for a good coverage. So if you want that kind of full coverage, you can give these two brushes a try. So these two brushes are equally good, but if you want a kind of sheer finish or a flawless finish, then you have to try this buffing brush, guys. I really love this one, and this is the favorite brush from all these brushes which I am going to show you. So this is the 231 number brush. So this is a buffing brush, and all the brushes of PAC are really very nicely packed. These are quite dense, as you can see, and this has a rounded top, and the bristles is again really soft as the previous brushes. So I really love this one, and this is very good buffing brush, guys. So you have to buff your foundation like this. At first you have to just little bit of spread your foundation like this in the stippling motion. Then you have to buff your foundation to give you a flawless finish. So I really love this one, and I highly recommend this brush to you guys. So the next and the last PAC Cosmetics brush which I have bought myself is this one. So this is the PAC powder brush, and this is in the number 245, and this retails for 485 rupees. So I haven't used this brush till now, so I can't give you the review. So I have to use it to give a proper review, right? So I have used the previous 3 brushes, so I can tell that those are amazing brushes. So I think this will also be a nice brush. So the shape of this brush is really nice, and this also comes with a brush guard. So the previous brushes also comes with their brush guards, and I have lost them. Yeah. So this is the powder brush, and it has a tulip shape. So this is very good to set your under eye area, and you can also apply powder all over your face if you are a oily skin person like me. So I think this is very nice, and this is really very soft as the other brushes. So PAC brushes are a great buy, guys. So the next 2 brushes which I want to show you are from Wet n Wild. So these 2 brushes, these are from their Pro Brush Line collection. So I have used their contour brush from this range, and I quite like that brush. So I have bought this highlighter brush and this foundation brush. So guys, this foundation brush retails for 899 rupees, and that's a really very high amount, guys, according to this brush, because the PAC brushes retails for 500 to 600 rupees maximum, but this Wet n Wild Pro Brush Line brushes retails for 800, 900 and 1000 rupees even. So this retails for 899 rupees, but thankfully I got this on a good discount from Nykaa at I think 40 to 50% off. So I think it cost 450 rupees. So that's not very affordable according to this brush, because let me be honest, guys, I don't like this brush so much. I will tell you why. So the packaging is really nice, as you can see. So the packaging is really very sturdy and nice, and the brush even looks really very beautiful. So this has a rose gold body, as you can see. This has a rose gold body, and this has a very nice cut here, as you can see. I hope the camera is picking. So this has a very nice cut here to give yourself a nice grip. So when you hold this brush, so you get a very nice grip. So here you get a very nice grip to hold it. So I really like this thing, and the body of this brush is really very nice. It has a very metallic kind of finish. So it's rose gold. And now let me be honest about the brush. So this has a small dip kind of thing here. So guys, you are supposed to put your foundation at this space. So it has a dip here. So you have to put your foundation here, and then you have to stipple your foundation all over your face to spread that foundation. Then you have to drag it in downward motion to blend this. So let me be honest, guys, I have used this brush for 4 to 5 times, and I don't like this, because when you do this stippling motion, it really pokes your skin. I don't know why, because when you touch the bristles, they are really very soft. They are so soft, guys, but when I use this like this, it really hurts my skin, which I don't like at all. And when I blend the foundation, I really tried too hard to blend the foundation with this, and still there are some brush strokes left on my face which don't looks nice. It looks kind of patchy. I don't know, I don't like, I mean, imagine you going out with some brush strokes on your face, so this don't give a flawless finish like the pack brushes or the other. I think the Cups and Lashes brush which I have shown you, the foundation brush from Cups and Lashes, it's even better than this brush. I will not recommend this brush to you guys. Please don't buy this brush. If you want a good foundation brush, so go for the pack ones, because they are cheaper than this, because the MRP of this is 899 rupees. Yes, I got this on a discount, but that's actually the same of the price of the pack brushes, because those are like 400 to 500 rupees and this is like 450 rupees after giving the discount. So that's not affordable according to the quality and the effect you get from this brush. So I will not recommend this brush, guys. I hate this one. So the next brush is from Wet n Wild again, and this is also from their Pro Brush Line collection, and this is a highlighter brush, and this retails for 599 rupees, and I got this on a discount at 300 rupees only, and I really like this brush. So I really like that because I have used the contour brush from Wet n Wild this range, and I like that. And this brush is also very nice. This is very nice to blend your highlighter. So this has a very small tip, so it's not very small actually, it's quite big enough to blend your highlighter. So, and this looks very nice. It has kind of unicorn design. The body is kind of a unicorn design. It's silver and sky blue, and the bristles are again very soft, and it's very good to blend your highlighter. I really love this one. You can also blend your highlighter on your nose if you like that kind of look. So I really like this one, and if you want a good highlighter brush, you can surely give this a try. So Wet n Wild is a very good brand, guys. I have used many products from Wet n Wild and I really like that. So I don't know what happened with this brush, because I don't like it. I hope that this foundation brush don't have this dip here, and it sucks up a lot more foundation in it, so you waste a lot more foundation if you use this brush. So I just forgot to mention that, so I'm just letting you know. So that's all the brushes which I have bought myself, and then I left myself with some random product. So here is the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick. So I have bought this because I really love this shade, and I really love Maybelline lipsticks, especially this Creamy Matte lipsticks. So this is a very nice violet color, as you can see. Let me swatch this for you. And the texture of these lipsticks are really very nice. I really love these lipsticks, guys. I have so many shades of this lipstick. Just look at the color, guys. It is so gorgeous. If you are fond of this violet or purple kind of lipsticks, so you can surely give this one a try. And this lipstick retails for 299 rupees, and I got this on the discount at 239 rupees. And I also got mini Maybelline lipsticks free with this bigger lipstick. So normally you don't find this mini lipsticks from Maybelline. So this is the free product which they have made, I think, specially to give that buy one get one free offer. So this is the mini lipsticks, and it is a very nice brown shade. So this is a very nice nude brown color, and I really hope that Maybelline launch this mini lipsticks, because they are so nice. And if someone don't want to buy the bigger ones, so they can go for the mini ones. So I really hope that Maybelline launches this mini creamy matte lipsticks very soon. So that's the color. So guys, I am almost at the end of this haul. So the next product is a nail polish, and this is from Swiss Beauty. And I really wanted to try this Swiss Beauty nail polish for a very long time because they looks very amazing on the website, and thankfully I bought this one because I really love this nail polish. Guys, this is a glitter nail polish, so when you apply it on your nails it gives you very nice look. So I will try to attach a picture of this because nail polish can't be swatched on hand, and I have put on nail polish on my nails, so I will attach a picture. So this retails for 99 rupees only, and I really love this one. So the next product is again from Swiss Beauty, and this is their loose pigments, and you guys know that I really love loose pigments. And if you haven't seen my video on loose pigments, please go and check that video on my channel. So this time I bought myself this very nice off-white color. So this is in the shade 01, and let me show you. These loose pigments are really very nice, guys. Just look at this. Just look at the pigment, guys. If you want to try any affordable loose pigments, please give this one a try. You will not be disappointed, guys. These are so nice, guys, and they are available in 8 to 9 shades, I think, and I have 4 of them now, so I can highly recommend these loose pigments to you. And this loose pigments retails for 149 rupees. So the next and the last product of this haul is a lipstick from Lakme, and I actually got this free with the Lakme products which I have shown you previously. So I have got this in brown color. So this is the Lakme Lakme Absolute Sculpt Studio lipstick. So I didn't find the link of this lipstick, sorry guys, I'm just showing this to you, and I have attached all the links of the previous products in my description box. So if you want to buy any of these products, please go and check the link from the description. So I didn't found the link of this product, I don't know why. So this is the lipstick. The packaging is really nice. So this has a transparent cap, and this is actually kind of the similar packaging of Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick, and this is again a very nice brown color. So here is the color, and this is a creamy matte lipstick. Actually I haven't tried it on my lips till now, but I hope that this lipstick will stay for a very long time. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video and found it useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload a video you will get notified. And share this video with your friends, and let me know in the comment section below what you think of my videos. And if you have any further suggestions for my videos, please do let me know. I will love to know your feedbacks. And also follow me on Instagram if you like to, and you can also follow me on Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.